my people, our Ghanaian president tell Buhari and other Africa countries should stop begging. He said, may they stop begging. May they stop begging. May they stop begging. That is President Nana Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo. Sorry, sir, if I murder your name. He said, tell Buhari other Africa leaders. If they tell all Africa leaders, Buhari, where I see for here, I'll place them. Say, may we stop to the beg. May we stop to the beg. We the Africans, we the Western Africa, may we stop to the beg and may we stop to the borrow money. Yes. You know, what it is our president, Nana, Ghanaian president, he talk. I'm sorry sir, if I pronounce your name so that people go know you say now you talk and that's why they pronounce your name. President Ghana, Nana Abdul. Waiting he talk, he say, may we the Africa, may we stop to the borrow money and may we stop to the beg. And may we come together and unite and do something. Please, if you can read, I will place the reading so that you will feed the reader, okay? Those who enough you read, waiting at this our daddy, our Ghanaian president talk. He they talk to all the leaders in Africa, say, may they come together, may they do something. Nobody go repair our continent for us. Now we go repair our continent by ourselves. White man no can repair your continent. And he still say everything when white men they do, they when they develop their country, say now our continent now that they come, mostly my country, Nigeria. God bless us, including my village. God bless us. Now God you want to, now crazy you want to, wait till you define. Nigeria, we get her. He said, may we come together as one. May we work together. And all money when we they invest for another country, may we they invest them for our country. Who they take so? He they talk to our leader. And he they see they talk to himself. You know, so mom, for why me want reach mad for this matter is many of our leader, you see as Dubai take packers go house like chicken. But if you count our leaders, many of them, they get house for Dubai. Many of them, they get house for this France where I did. Many of them get house for UK. Many of them, they start, but can't president in Europe, how many of them get house for Africa? How many of them get house for Nigeria? How many of them get house for Ghana? That they talk about leader, European leader. How many of them, they will come out for their country, carry their money, go to invest for Africa? No, no, no. But our leader, they will say that they suffer us with the citizen. May you now remember there is God. If you talk and come out and you was pass, remember there is God. Waiting this our Ghanaian president talk, it makes sense. If we not come together as our father, you know, Prophet TB Joshua, I know many of us know him. He said, Africa, unite. We kill one another. We need one another to grow. I will play the music below. The music go they play small so that may not fail before he pass on to glory. You see, if this thing when our Ghanaian president talk, it makes sense. May we stop to the borrow money. May we stop to the beg. We the Africans, we get money. God bless us. What do you talk about? God give it to us. But the only thing, me personal, I'm asking my God, He should give us good leader. Leader that have sense. Leader that mean well to others. Leader that mean good to our continent, to our country. That is what I just see. And this is our Papa, our Ghanaian president, Nana. He said, as far Africa, you are black, you are welcome to Africa land. That is true. We the Africa, we full of racists. This one not be Nigeria, this one not be Ghana, this one not be this. But this France one this. So if Italy man come this France, he stand me Africa come, they will prefer to give that Italian man work than me. Why? There be one shege. They see themselves as one white. Why can't we the Africa, we the citizens of Africa, we the children of Africa unite? If you look social media today, if Ghanaian person wrong, for us to come together and tackle, they see, and because of not be Ghanaian. If Nigeria person wrong, for all the Africa to come and this Gwagwa waited and now because you not be now because it's in Ghana. No, we come together for continent, for country to move. You need to come together. What is bad, we criticize it. What is good, we criticize it. As this our dad, our leader, President Ghana, he talk. I pray may the remaining leader, may the remaining country, may they pick for inside. He mentioned Ghana, he mentioned Nigeria, he mentioned Kenya. He said all the leaders, all the Africa leaders, may we stop low, may we stop to the borrow money, may we stop to the beg. This continent, now the developed other country, they can't collect what they develop their country. Why can't us use them? And those my own country, because I believe some Ghanaian are still know now. Those my own country people, when they go Dubai, take our money, go to buy house for Dubai. God touch their hearts. Yes, me they talk about my own country now, Nigeria. God touch their heart. Let them see that Dubai man can never carry money come Nigeria, go to buy house for there. France man can never, president, carry money except if they work for Nigeria. As far you don't get company for Nigeria, carry money, go to buy house, go to invest for Nigeria. It's very difficult. Forget all those total. Now business the user they do, they not just put them for there. May una get things. Now just collect money when you're not supposed to take do each state. They develop the country. One person go thief farm. May una remember God though. One person go thief farm, go use and buy house for England. Make children they stay. Children go they live large. Then the citizens they suffer. You know, remember the blood of the citizens they una hand. I know feel una generation because I always dey against and say my father's sin will not affect me, my sin will not affect my children. That is the thing that will not make me extend that to una children. May una make sense, may una collect sense. If una know say wetin una dey do e not good. As far as say one president, Africa president, you don't they see say wetin dem dey do e not good. May they come together and make something good and make a continent Western Africa to proud. I pray may it work. And as I see in the comment section, some people say this our daddy, our Ghana president, he just borrow money of freak cent. Which one I say may they not they borrow money? Say some of our leader they will just open mouth, they will just they talk, they will forget their self. Maybe he don't borrow that money before he realize say waiting they do is not good. And as far as say he don't cry, come out again and say, may all the Africa leaders, may they come together as one and make Africa proud. For me, I stand by it. Me, I dey look. You know when person talk come out, what they look at may be the number one to show good example. I believe he don't show the step. And I still pray to my leaders, my Buhari, all those Tinubu when they fight for post. They know they fight all those president people when they fight now, president elect when they fight for election. I pray as soon as they go, as soon as they campaign, what una they campaign for? I pray me una do amo. Not be by campaign. Una children will do another country. They suffer. They sleep for outside. They sleep for streets. American citizen. He died for Nigeria that day. Black Nigerian man, but he don't declare American citizen. America come remove her from our country. Now not CC, now not get level. Which person for Nigeria now that will say that they beat for this France now? They will call Nigeria embassy. Nobody they answer. I beg, no na try, no na open eye. No be say person just they talk. He like to talk. You know, so kind things. Mostly when we don't travel out of our country, we they see, and we really need that good thing in our continent, in our country. Mostly old people house. I first talk this thing for my video when I dropped the day first that be yesterday. Old people house. We the cities not they ask too much. We just say mostly my country now they talk now Nigeria. We say may una give us light, may una give us education. As our president now still talk say good education. If may una give us good education, security, light, and me I say at old people home. Those special children need to still answer them. Those things is good well. May una apply them for our country. May una apply them. No place for this France where you go to don't you know see special children home, where you know see old people house. But to now come out, carry our money. If our president want go and receive treatment now, na UK, na America. But what of those wey no fit travel go the America? My people, na this one I get to talk. Wetin una think? Una drop am in the comment section. I will see una in my next video. Bye.